The feedback we get from our dealers and end users is they're looking for a highly configurable panel with lots of button options or a simple button option. They're looking for a quality product with good tactile feedback, as well as a range of finishes to suit all of their decor. We've introduced our new modular keypad, 12 button configurability down to very simple on-off control, black buttons, wired and wireless control systems, and swappable faceplates with a range of finishes. Finishes are easily changeable, held on by magnets, and all it takes is a simple lift off and fit on. Having a larger number of buttons available on a single panel gives you single keypad control of lighting, audio, blinds and curtains, all from a single panel without the need for clutter and lots of different keypads or buttons on the wall. The modular keypads come in a wired configuration which sits on the standard Rako CAN bus network. The wireless is programmed via NFC using the hub interface for all of the programming. The wired keypad runs on the Rako network. The wireless keypad is battery powered using two standard CR2016 batteries. Custom button layouts can be configured via the RaceOff Pro software, or you can have custom button etching via Plate Designer on the website. The modular keypad looks and feels quality. Tactile button feedback, luxury finishes, everything a client would expect from a lighting controls product.